Welcome to today's session. In this session, I'll be talking about the catalog section of the printer's web portal for every event delivery. As you can see on the left vertical navigation bar, the catalog menu is highlighted. Simply means that I have opened the catalog page, and you can also see from the page we have pretty much some things going on here. We have a button to the top right called the add new button. So the add new is for adding a new catalog. You can also see that you can add as much as 10 catalogs. You can also add more. For now, we haven't placed a limit. So and you can also see further down on the page that we already have some catalogs that we've added. So these are dummy catalogs. And we have two tabs on the top section. The tabs are called active and archived. So currently the active is toggled. That is why you see the dark orange color, right, on the active section. You can also toggle to view the archived. So the difference between the active and the archive is there are some catalogs that you can archive if you do not want it to show up to the customers, if you do not want to offer that particular service again. So you can archive a catalog by clicking on these three dots within the catalog card to either archive, right, or edit that particular catalog. So when you click on archive, it moves this particular the catalog for which you clicked the button for. It moves it to the archive tab. So at the top of the two tabs, we have something called the reviews. So if you finish a project and the customer is satisfied with your work, it will be nice for you to ask for positive review from them. But however, this review section holds all the reviews, both positive and negative. So you can easily see an overview of what people think about your service, right? And get to improve on your service on the areas of possible improvement. So clicking on the reviews will bring up a modal. So this modal is meant to show you all the reviews that has been given to you to your profile. Now, let's start with creating a new catalog. To begin, I click on the Add New button. The catalog creation form comes up. I want you to pay attention to detail. Read every single word and text, as these are the guides that will help you to optimize your catalog for greater success every event delivery. So the first thing here is I want us to look at this. When filling the price field, you are advised to include the cost of packaging for the design deliverables, especially event cards, invitation cards. So with this, you should know that when you are crafting a cost for your catalog, the best rule of thumb is to also add your packaging cost. So the packaging cost is, for example, you print an event card or an event accessory, you need to package it and it's going to cost a little extra. So it is advisable to add it as, as an added, as a padded fee to the overall price of that particular catalog. So to create a catalog, you have to start with the catalog title. You can see the placeholder text as A for event card printing. So this is a deliberate attempt, right? A deliberate action, right? So from the default text order, right, you will find out that the title of the catalog is as descriptive as it should be. So first of all, it's explaining the paper type. It's also explaining the type of print to be done. But you can go further to do something more sophisticated. By doing something like this, you can describe the paper type. You can also describe the quality of print on such paper type. For example, I can add glossy print, glossy, A4 glossy marriage card. So you find out that in this particular title, I've been able to first of all describe the paper type. Then I describe the kind of the quality of the print. I also describe what that catalog is meant to do. So the basic or primary purpose of this particular catalog now for my naming is for marriage cards. So I wouldn't want to optimize my catalog for uh, a school handover party, right? Because now I am informing the user that this catalog is for marriage cards. So it's a good rule of thumb to stick to streamline your services. If possible, if you have so many services or so many services or catalogs that you have to put out, ensure you separate them into independent catalogs and services rather than combining it and doing all with one catalog. Now, the next field under the catalog form is the print type. So the print type can be A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on and so forth. Furthermore, we have the print size. The print size comes with width and height all in pixels, right? So you can decide to add a print size for this particular catalog. And what this means is that the customers are going to know the kind of size their print is going to be coming out with. So this is where you add your print size. You can also add the description of the catalog. How do you want to optimize your catalog? So the description is one of the best places to optimize your catalog, right? The, dis- the description would hold all the information the customer requires, right? All the information that would prompt the customer to choose your printing business for their next big printing gig. So it's advisable to spend a lot of time to optimize your description to tell the customers what this catalog is actually meant to do via the description box. So the next section is the image. So this is where you upload the image of the catalog. So let's say, for example, this catalog is meant for a t-shirt printing. Maybe let's say a political t-shirt printing, right? Now, if I were to provide an image for such catalog, I would provide a unique image, like a photo, something like a photo that I took after the production of similar prints that I've done in the past. So this is what we encourage you to do also on every event, right? For the image aspect, ensure you use relevant images and images that fall in line with what the catalog is meant to do. The next section is the price. So every catalog has a price. So it is this price that the customers are going to the customer's final payment fee will be calculated with. Now, the next section is the quantity, sorry to say. The quantity is the amount of prints that will be done for this particular price you're putting here. So let's say I I want to set the catalog fee to 50K, right? If I set it to 50K, how many quantity will I be able to use 50K to produce based on this catalog? That is what the quantity means, right, in relation to the price. We also have the delivery timeline, which is the number of days is going to take you to complete any order you get via this catalog, right? When you are done filling all of this, you save it and you also get a notification that you have completed or you have completely filled your catalog, right? You have published your catalog, something like that. So once you are done with this, cross check and ensure that your spellings, your write up are all intact. Then you can publish. And once you publish, then you are ready to start making the big bucks from every event delivery. Alright then, see you in the next video. In the next video, I'll be talking about the payment section and how to add a payment details to receive your payment for the print jobs you've done. Till then, bye.